Wow, amazing. Those are just a couple of the words that you're going to say when you view this property. Sweeping views of Lanan Bay, Toledo Bend. 5 acres gated, 5,300 square feet, single-story Mediterranean masterpiece. You need to call me. I'll meet you here. Let's take a look together. Boat lifts, covered with a floating dock and plenty of room for entertainment. What more could you ask? Sweeping views of Lanan Bay on Toledo Bend. This could be your new lake house. That's just a taste of what you get with 360 Brandon in gated Brandon Estates. If you'd like a tour of your own, just call me. I would love to help. It could be the perfect property for you, and I'd love to show it to you. I'm Tammi Montgomery, and thank you for watching.